Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and let's talk about the settings that I want you to use in general chemistry lab typically. Do you see how it says deg right here? That's degrees. The way that you set it to degrees is you just click the DRG, and in this case it's already on degrees, so there's no need to change it. Let's get out of this. One other thing that might be interesting to mess around with, play around with, I just did a dimensional analysis problem with the number 7200. So if we go to second and then scientific engineering, I've got it on floating decimal right now, so it's going to stay as 7200. But if I click it to scientific and then hit enter, and then hit enter again, notice that it converts over to the number in exponential notation. So if I want to convert back out of that, I can just hit second, and I can hit scientific engineering, put it back to float, and hit enter, and that'll bring it back to floating. Another big thing that's really important whenever one enters exponential numbers, and I'm hoping that you'll be able to see this little EE right here, but if I wanted to enter that number in scientific notation, I might say something like 7.2 second EE3 and then hit enter, and because it's in floating, it should convert it back to 7200. Yes, perfect. And as I showed you just a minute ago, if I wanted it to be in scientific notation, I could just do like that, and then we'll click it right back. That, I don't know why that kind of confuses me. I usually go in floating. There you go. Those are some quick hints on using the TI30XIIS in chemistry. If there's another setting in a problem, I'll let you know.